the law of repetition, like if you want to develop skills or master anything, really you do need repetition, and that is the nature of the mind. And once you do have enough repetition, the mind will itself will start producing the repetition. Like think about driving, right? So when you first started driving, you have to be very conscious or use the conscious mind a lot, right? Especially when you learn about the mind, you will see that, especially the law of repetition, you can use the law of repetition to particularly to implement driving, and then it becomes more natural. So if you've been practicing driving like maybe 10, 15 times, and you're taking the same road, you're not really paying attention to the road anymore. That's simply because the subconscious mind has taken over, and the law of repetition now is working behalf of you. Even same thing when you're brushing your teeth, or even when you're doing certain work. So you will see that specifically the mind works on a repetition. So if you have even ruminating thoughts, right, certain thoughts that keep coming to your mind, right, and you cannot really stop it, that's because the law of repetition working at play. So that's one of the main things that you will see, is that once something becomes so practiced or something that is embedded to you, it will start producing it automatically.